have reached the final parking position and fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off. Captain Farland and the crew would like to say goodbye to our guests at this time. Thank you. With Lufthansa Airlines today. We hope you enjoyed the stay on board with us and we'd like to wish you a nice and pleasant stay in Ireland, a safe and pleasant journey, and hope you reach your destination safely and please stay healthy.